This is my homegrown lemons. Look at these. You don't see it until you get closer to these. All full with the lemons. Look at these. Wow, so many. I mean, if I go like this, look at this. Oh boy. These are fresh lemons I'm going to use for my cooking. For my cooking recipes, these are always handy, you know. So many lemons of my one plant, and how we're going to preserve them, that I'm going to share with you in easy steps. I'm going to wash them. After washing it, pat it dry and let it dry outside on the countertop for 1 day. I'm going to place it into the fridge. After 1 day, I will take it out. Half of them I'm going to transfer into the freezer, and those going to be get frozen, and then whenever we need to use, we can use them, and that going to last for a long time. So I'll show it to you after 2 weeks how they look. So we had the 2 trays. One we put it into freezer, and the other one is still. This is how lemon looks. They look fresh and healthy. So all the lemons, they're looking nice. Now let's take a look on the freezer one. Let's open the freezer. And they are, look, solid rock. That was the 2 weeks ago we put it in. And now these, they can last long for a long time. They're all like a solid ball. They're solid on the top back. Look at this. You can hear it. How it sounds. So on this one, we really don't need, when we put it in the freezer, we don't need to put it into the plastic bag. Wash it and pat it dry, and just put it in the freezer, just like this. See, now the side is full. If we look at this, the whole thing is full, and now I'm going to show you how to use them. I'm going to cut a couple of these, and whenever we need to use these, grab these, and let's take it out, and I'm going to get a couple of these from here. These are the 2 lemons. We took it out of the fridge after 2 weeks. They are nice and cold, and they're still looking fresh. Looks really beautiful. And these 2, we took it out of the freezer after sitting in the freezer for 2 weeks. They are really hard rock. How we're going to use it, that I'm going to share with you. I get a cold water. We're going to place it into the water. This is after 2 weeks in the fridge, and these going to stay another month easily fresh, but they won't last long because I'm going to end up using them. But we have one in the freezer that's going to go a long time. So as you've seen, these lemons, we put it inside the water, and they were floating, and now they sank all the way at the bottom. So these were the frozen ones. So I'm going to take it out. And I'm just going to wipe it off. So this is how our lemons look. The one were frozen like a hard rock ball. They were really rock solid, and this is how they look. They look a little soft by the feeling, the touch. And these are the 2 we left it in a fridge for 2 weeks. They are solid, they are firm, both of them. So I'm just going to show you what is the difference. If I cut these open, you won't see the difference. These were frozen. And if I cut this one open, this is fresh. Only this difference I can see, the skin still white. The juice, I don't see any difference in there. As for the frozen, they are a little mushy because they are more soft and the color has been changed. So that's only the difference you're going to see. This is the best way to preserve lemons, and they become really handy. Whenever you need it, you can take it out of the fridge, put it in the water, then you can use it. And if we can take the juice, there will be no difference. It will be the same taste. So I hope it will help you out. As for serving the lemon with food, the fresh one definitely going to look better. When it's going to come for juice, no difference. So I hope this video going to help you out how you can manage your lemons. If you have a whole bunch of lemons, without wasting them, you can utilize those lemons and you can preserve them. This video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and bye-bye.